The calibration of the IPX coded thickness gauges are all the same regardless of the model to be used. First of all, select an appropriate probe. In this case it's the F probe for ferrous, or alternatively you have the M probe for non-ferrous. Select a particular substrate and switch on the unit. On the probe, place this on the test block. Get that into the right area. And on the test block, it should read 0. If on the gauge, when you touch it onto the substrate, it doesn't read 0, leave the probe pressed down onto the substrate and press the 0 button. This will 0 the gauge. Just check to make sure that it repeats at 0. Take one of the calibration foils and place it on the substrate, and then the probe on top of the coating gauge, and in this case it's reading 5 points down compared to 423, so I'm getting 426 or 428. So it's quite simple just to adjust it. You just use the up and down arrow keys to adjust it to the desired value, and then you just repeat the value test. So again, 428, so now we take it down to 423, and so now it is repeating within the stated tolerance of 5 microns. So the value is 423 and I'm getting 421, 420, 420 and 419. We can further check this by putting a different calibration foil on. This time it is 262 and we are getting a value of 262, 261. So we know that the unit is now calibrated. So please follow these instructions, and if you have any problems, give me a ring.